Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about title block family, how we can create title block family from scratch, how we can add the parameters, how we can add the schedule as well, revision schedule I'm talking about, and in title block family. So let's start. So at the first place, to create a new title block family, we need to click on File option right here, click on New, then click on Title block, and this kind of folder structure will be opened. Definitely you have to go for your folder for Revit title block template, family template. Okay. So for that one, I'll click on English folder and then I'll go for templates, sorry, title block folder. And inside that one, I can see different Revit family title block templates are right here. These are based on different sizes of the tile block family, whether you are going for A0, A1, 2, 3, 4, or you are going for new Revit uh, tile block family size. Okay, so you can go for new size metric as well. You can see right here, these all are in metric. But for example, you want to go for imperial as well. What you can do is that click on backside again, because the imperial folder is different one. Right here inside the folder structure, you can see English imperial. Click on that one, click on title block. These all are imperial title block family templates. Okay, but right now in this particular video we'll be discussing in a metric title block family only. So I'll go for English folder again, click on title blocks, and I'll go for example, A0 metric. It means I want to create a title block family of even size. Okay, click on open. Then the user interface will be changed. Right now we are inside the family interface, okay, of Revit. So our family name is family 3. Definitely we can save this one by different name and it will be saved as whatsoever the name we want to give. Okay, but that is not our concern right now. Our concern is how we can create a new title block family. So this is our maximum limit of our A1 size. We cannot go beyond than that. So for that one, I will create a internal boundary as well inside this one, so that we can create our parameters inside that one, those kind of stuffs. So for that one, I'll select this line and go for the offset, and I want to go for example, 20 offset from this line to inside. Click on OK. From each side, I'll go for like that way, so that I'll create my new boundary inside the maximum one by 20 from each side. Okay, let me trim this one, and I think that's fine. Trim, I just used tr command. Okay, now this is my internal boundary and I'll create all the parameters inside this one. But before than that, let me decide till which limit I want to go for my parameters, so that I can also give the empty space for views placement. Okay, so for that one, what I'll do is that I'll click on this line, click on the offset again, and I'll go for 100 offset for this line. So that will have 100 offset from this line to this line, and we'll be using this space for our parameters. Okay, I'll click on skip command. Now this is the key space. In this video, we'll discuss about this one only and how we can utilize this one. Okay. Now, so at the first place, let me create some parameters. So to create the parameters, I'll click on create option right here, click on label, and to create the labels, let me go at the random place right now. I will arrange the parameters accordingly, whatsoever the space we will be having. Okay. So right now I'm just clicking right here and this kind of dialog box will be opened. And right here at the first place, I'll be going for sheet name. That is the first important thing. So I'll go for sheet name, click on this green icon so that it'll be adding this one to right here. Click on OK. Now sheet name will be shown right here. Let me stretch this one till right here. Our text should not go beyond this boundary line. Okay. So please make sure that one. Let me move this one at the what we can say left side as well, so that it'll fulfill this one. But the text height, I want to go for 5 So right now we do not have the 5 So I'll click on edit type, click on duplicate, click on 5 Okay, right here the text height I'll be going for 5 Okay, fine. 5 is fine for me. If I want to create the bold one, I can do like that as well. But right now I'm not doing. So if we'll stretch a little bit, you can see this is bold. You can take this one if I want to go for bold. Right now I'm not going for sheet names. Okay. Now I'm not clicking. There are two ways now. Either I'll click on the label again. I can go right here. I can click this kind of same dialog box will be open, but I'll not do those kind of things. Let's press skip command. I'll select this one, click on control, press mouse's left button as well, and drag this one at the bottom side. Okay. So I'm dragging this one till right here. Now I'll just select this, the next one. I'll click on edit label. Now this kind of dialog box will be open where sheet name is already added, but I'll remove this one and I'll add different one. Okay, so in this one I'll add project number. Let's go for project number. Okay. Let's go for project name and then number. Okay. So let me go for project. I can add multiple parameters as well. Right now I'm not adding, but if it is your requirement, you can add that one as well. Okay. Right now I'm adding this project name right here. Again, I'll do the same thing. Control, mouse's left button, drag. Now for this one, I'll be going for project number, drag and remove this one. Click on OK. Project name and numbers are added. Now I'll go for the next one. Let me add some more parameters. Let's go for drawn by, remove this one. And now let's go for designed by, remove this one. Okay. Oh, sorry, I did not. Okay, let me press Control Z to duplicate this one, right? Now click on edit again. This is designed by, yeah, designed by. And the next one, let's go for approved by. Will be fine, I guess. Approved by, perfect. So we have added three models. Definitely, if you want to add checked by as well, whatsoever our requirements, you can add. I'm just showing you how we can uh, do that thing. Okay, let me again go for control and left mouse button. Let's go for probably sheet number this time. Sheet number. Let's add this one. Click on OK. Okay, perfect, fine. Um, Now sheet number is added, but let's go for sheet number. It should be bold. So let me go for 5 mm is fine. Let me go click on edit, but it should be bold. So let me go for bold. Okay, and let me go to tick right here. It's bold, right? Okay, perfect. Let's go for another one. Let me press control and this mouse button as well. Let me go for scale. That is missing right now. This is the scale. Okay, perfect. Click on OK. Now I'll go for these items to be at the right side. Why? Because I'll add the headers to this. Right? These are the labels. These are the parameter values that will be filling when I'll insert this project, this Revit family to the project. Okay. I think right now, if you are not getting, no worries. You'll be getting this one. These are the um, parameter values actually. Okay, these are not the symbolism of which what it is. So we'll be adding the text what it is, then you will be able to figure out, okay, these are the editable, these are not editable. Right now these are all editable. So I'll move these ones at the right side so that we can edit the values, and we'll be seeing the values at the right side, and the text which will be representing what it is actually will be adding the text to these ones. Okay, so to this I'll select all these and I'll click on right here horizontal align, and I'll move to right side. Additionally, I don't want to go for all of them with 5 mm. I'll go for 3 mm will be fine, I guess, for what I think. So I'll escape this one because I think this is the different one. Click on edit, duplicate. Let me create a new one, 3 mm, and let me click right here. Text size will be 3 mm again. All these are fine, 3 mm, and this one should be 3 mm as well. So let me go for duplicate. Sorry, not duplicate. Let me go for 3 mm only. Click on OK. Perfect. Let me move this one to right here. These ones as well. Perfect. Let me move this one till right. Okay. Or if it may be big, then that's fine. Now this is the sheet number. Sheet name is fine. Perfect. Let me add text. Okay. So I'll press TX command. Let me start from right here at the top. Let me add sheet name. It's very big, right? So what I'll do is that press command. I'll select this text and let me go for uh, 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 edit and duplicate. Let me go for probably 2 mm. Okay, you can decide whatsoever text is visible for you. Right now I'm going for 2 mm. Okay, and the sheet name. Okay, so this is our text and the value. What is the sheet name? Will be filling right here. Okay, now I'll just again click on Control, left mouse button, and then we can drag this one till right here straight. Okay, this is our project name, right? So this will be project name. Again, next one will be project number. This is project number, and again this is drawn by. So let me go for drawn by. Go for the next one is designed by. Designed by, and this is approved by. Approved by. Okay. This is our sheet number. So let me go select this one. Sorry, select this one right here. You can go with sheet number or drawing number, whatever you want to go. So for example, let me go for drawing number. Okay, and this is our drawing number. That's fine. Now the last one is our scale. Okay, so let me go for scale. Perfect. I think that's fine. But we are having this empty space. So what I'll do is that I'll select all of them. I'll move all of them at the bottom. Perfect. And let me segregate all of them. Okay, so text seems very smaller, right? So what I'll do is that let me select all of these. Let me go for 5 mm probably. Okay, and let me stretch this one. Perfect. And did we add design by as well? I'm not sure. Let me drag this one to right here as well. Designed by, I think we added, right? Control Z. Okay, we did not add. Okay, perfect. Oh, no worries. So what we'll be doing is that let's press this one. Okay, so control and then drag. Designed by. Perfect. Okay, so let me change the scale to these ones as well. These should be okay. 3 mm, 3 mm. Okay, and 3. Perfect. And these should be, or is it fine? You can cross check, but okay, that's these are fine. But if you feel like these scales should be changed, you can change them as well. Okay, let me go for 3 mm for this one as well, and this one. This is already 3 mm. Okay, let me move this one a little bit at the top side. Where is the sheet number? Okay, I think it has gone or something had done. No worries. I'll realign this one. Drawing number. Okay, perfect. I'll move this one a little bit. Okay, now let's segregate based on the lines. So what I'll do is that I'll press DL command. Sorry, it's not working. So I'll click on right, click on lines, and then we'll segregate from right here. Let me create a line right here. One line will be at the middle. We'll align this one a little, okay? Or you can segregate them, in a proper way. So let's go for 15 for each time. Okay. So this is done. This is done. This is for approved, and the drawing number. Let's go till right here. Perfect. Okay, it's done. So now let me move these ones at the top. This one again. This one. Okay, let me move this one at the top side again. So that will be fit properly. Perfect. Yeah, scale is fine for us. And now at the top as well, I'll add one more line. Perfect. Okay, it's done, I guess. Let me move this one at the top. Perfect. So this is our sheet name, project name, and those kind of stuffs we are done. Let's add some notes as well. Okay, so for that one, let's press TX command. Let me click right here. Let me add as notes. Okay, and then press enter, shift enter. I'm just pressing. I'll go for dotted lines. Okay, first of all, enter and then shift enter. Let me enter, shift enter. This one. We can go for this one or this one, whatsoever you want. Okay, so let me go for this one. All dimensions are in um for example, what you can see, all views are having I don't know what I'm typing, but let's type something. So are having markers. Okay, so you can add your note wheresoever you wanted to add. So right now I'm adding right here. Okay, it's 8 so let's go for 3 probably. That's fine. Or you can increase the text height based on your requirements. Okay. So we already added. Right now, the key important thing is missing right now. That's revision. So to create the revision for your schedule, what you need to do is that let's click on Insert tab right here. Sorry, not Insert, in View tab. Right here, you will be able to see the revision schedule. Click on that one, and this kind of dialog box will be open. It's fine. We are going for these numbers. We'll see if we are not going with this numbers. Okay. Click on OK, and now schedule will be added in your project browser. You can see right here as well. So three parameters are shown: sheet revision number, revision description, and date. Let me rename this one. So I just want to go for revision only, and description in this case, and date in this case. Okay, perfect. And I don't want to show the title, so I'll click on schedule right here. Click on schedule, and appearance right here. I'll remove this blank row before data in the first place. Show title again, I'll uncheck this one. I'll click on OK. Perfect. Now I'll load this one into the project. Project means the Revit family template. Oh, sorry, what happened? Click on this one and load into the project. It's fine. Okay, I think it's already right there. So you can see right here, schedule is already with us. Click on this one, drag. Perfect. You can align this one wheresoever you want to add. So let me add this one to right. Okay, what I want to do is that I want to move the revisions from the top side, at the top side, right? So for that one, what I'll do is that additionally, we are having the space. So what I'll do is that let me stretch this one a little bit. So for that one, what I'll do is that I'll move this one to right here. Probably move this one at the upper side as well. Perfect. Move, align this one to right here, and let me stretch this one to right here, and revision probably as well, and the date as well. Okay, let me go to right here. Perfect. Okay, it's aligned. Now If I'll add any kind of revision right now, it'll be, going for the downside. But no, I just wanted to go, all the revisions should be at the upper side. So how I can do that things? For that one, I'll go in revision schedule again, and I'll click on the revision schedule, click on appearance, and right here you can see top, bottom, and bottom up. So I'll go for bottom up, click on OK, load into the project, I'll be added. Okay, perfect. I'll go right here, and if you'll see, it had gone at the upper side. Perfect. So let me align this one because it had just shifted. Perfect. Now let me load into the project. So our project is project one, okay, and our family was family three, I guess. So I'll go in sheets, right click, new sheet. This is our family three. Click on OK. Yeah, our sheet is right here. Now, if you'll see right here, I can see the revisions, the sheet name, and those kind of stuffs. Now, what I was saying that these all are our values. So, for example, if I want to add something, this is floor plan view layout. Okay, I can add like that. Perfect. Project number, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever you want to add. Sorry, this is the project name. Okay, so BIM Guru, for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Author is, for example, BG, uh, AJ, whatever you want to add, you can add. Approved by, for example, uh, BIM Guru, whatsoever you want to add. Definitely, this will be your project requirements, and the scale will be based on your view. So, for example, if I'll place this plumbing one right here, let me place this one right here. Okay, so you can see the scale is all also updated. The sheet numbers you can update from right here. Let's go for a 02, whatever it is. Now the revision, if I want to add, go right here, revision on sheet. You can add the revision. So let's try this one. You can see it's at the top, but this is not what I wanted. I wanted it should be R0 and issued for review and those kind of stuff. So for that one, I'll go right here in View tab, click on revisions. Right here, I can change this one. So let me go for custom. This is revision A right now. So I do not want A. So for that one, what I'll do is that at the first place, let me change the date. So for the date, I want to go for today's date 23/02/25, and let's go for IFC. Okay, issued for construction. Click on OK. That's shown right here. But I just want to make sure that these are in at the center. Okay, these are at the left alignment, right? I want to make it at the center. So for that one, I'll go and revision schedule again, and I'll select these ones right here. The alignment at the center, middle, fine. Load into the project. All right. Let me go in my sheet. You can see right here the difference. Oh, sorry. I was making this one R0, right? So for that one, I'll go and revision this again. Sorry, not in the revisions. The sheets only. View tab, revision option right here. Click on numbering right here. Custom. Click on this edit icon. I'll remove this one, whatsoever I want to show right here. So R0, R1, R2, R3, R4. Sorry, R4. Perfect like that. Okay. Click on OK, OK, OK. Now you'll be seeing R0 right here. Next revision if I want to add. So for that one you need to create the revision, right? Click on View tab, revision. Let's create new revision. That's R1 custom date. Definitely let's go for today's date only. You can change the date, okay? It is not necessary like that. IFC again, IFC. So Control V. Okay. Now we want to add the revision. So scroll down, revision on sheet, R1 as well, okay? It's fine. So it'll be going at the upward direction, okay? I think it's fine. For example, the last thing that I want to add, for example, you want to add any kind of shade parameter, okay, to this one. So how we can add that one as well? Let's go in title block family again. This is our title block family. So let me think, okay, Okay, let's move this one at the upward direction a little bit. Okay, and let's create one more parameter that will be, I don't know what we'll be adding, but let's add something. Okay, okay, the service. Okay, let's go like that way. So I'll click on create label. Uh, I'll add parameter. So it is a shared parameter, right? So it will not be visible right here if you did not create. So to create a shared parameter right here for sheet, I'll click on this icon. Click on this icon. This kind of dialog box will be opened right here. This is the shared parameter. Click on select, and this is your shared parameter file. Okay, so right now I want to create a new shared parameter file. Okay, so click on edit option right here. Let's create a new group, sheets. Okay, and let me create a parameter name that I want to show right there. Service name. It means for which service the sheet is. Okay, so I just created this one. Click on OK. Now right here I'll click on sheets, service name, click on OK. It'll be shown right here. Now click on OK. Oh, did I change this one to length only? I'm not sure. Let me go right here back. Let me create a new parameter. No worries. I missed that one. Okay. Let me click on edit option right now, and now I'll just add service only. Okay. Please make sure this should be text. If I missed in the first time, it should be text because we'll be typing right there. It's not length. Okay. Click on text service. Okay. Click on OK. It's right here. Okay. We just created this one inside not block group. Okay. Click on OK. Now inside the not block, I'll click on service. Okay. Service is right here. The data type is text. It should be text. Okay. Click on OK. Now our service is right here. I'll drag this one. Fine. Click on OK. Now it's right here. I'll press skip command at the first place. I'll go for probably 3 mm only, right? 3 mm, and I'll move this one to the side. Now it should be left, right center. Why? I guess right now you know because this is our value, right? Great. Now I wanted to create a text right here, and it should be service service name. Perfect. Okay, let me load into the project again, and you'll be able to see that parameter again. We can edit that one. Okay, so this is our full plan. Right now it's service name, and you can mention whatsoever. Right now you can see it's not editable to us, right? And why it is not editable? Because we just created the shared parameter, but we did not add the parameter to the sheets. Okay, so to do that thing, how we can do that thing? It's very simple. Let me go for manage tab right here, and inside manage tab we'll be having the project parameters. I'll click on that one, and I'll click on edit parameter, not the edit parameters, sorry. I should be clicking on new parameter, click on shared, select. I want to select the service, click on OK. Now it's right here inside the group text, that's fine, but the main thing was data type. We can change right here if you do not want it to show under text, that's fine, but the data type should be text. It should be instance parameter so that we can change based on per sheets. Right now you will be going to select which category you want to assign this one. So I'll be going for sheets, click on OK. Now click on OK. Perfect. It's done. It's very simple. Now if I'll go right here, I can edit this one. So this is for mechanical, oh sorry, plumbing. Perfect. That's how we can do this thing. I think it's fine. You have got the idea how we can create a trial blog and those kind of stuffs. Thanks for guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.